Welcome to my Yandex Disk review. Today, we're diving into the features of this cloud storage service and what makes it stand out in the crowded market of digital storage solutions. Yandex Disk offers a user-friendly interface, making it easy for anyone to upload and manage files. One of its key advantages is the generous storage options. With 3 accounts available, users can start with a limited amount of storage, but if you need more space, Yandex Disk offers flexible plans. Let's talk about pricing. Yandex Disk has several tiers, ranging from free to premium paid options. The premium plans offer significantly more storage, but if you're looking for a long-term solution, consider this. Buy 10 terabytes of cloud storage forever, no annual subscription at the link in the description of the video. Now, let's explore some advantages. The integration with other Yandex services is seamless, which is a huge plus for users who already rely on Yandex for search, email, and other applications. Additionally, the service provides good synchronization options, allowing users to access their files from multiple devices. However, there are some disadvantages. Some users have reported that the upload speeds can vary, depending on your internet connection and location. Additionally, while the free version is useful, the amount of space can feel restrictive for heavy users. Also, customer service experiences can differ, which is something to consider if you encounter issues. In terms of security, Yandex Disk uses encryption to protect your files. However, always be cautious about storing sensitive data online. It's important to understand the terms and conditions, as well as the privacy policy, to ensure your information is protected. Overall, Yandex Disk is a robust option for individuals looking for reliable cloud storage. It combines ease of use with solid features that cater to various user needs. If you want to maximize your storage capabilities, don't forget about the opportunity to buy 10 terabytes of cloud storage forever, no annual subscription at the link provided. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and give us a like for more insightful tech reviews.